Alright, so here's our parking place, starting point for riding the Richmond San Rafael Bridge. We're starting on the Marin County side, and we're starting at this park because there's a bathroom here, so that's a big help. So we're about ready to go. Got our bikes ready to go. Right down this road, and then on the sidewalk over to the bridge. And I'll record the bridge ride on the way back. Alright, so we're going to ride across the Richmond San Rafael Bridge Trail. So we are here, right? So we already rode across this direction. We parked over on that side. I'll show you where we parked. And we're going to ride from this side back across the bridge. And here's my trusty steed. It's got me out one way across, now it has to go back across the other way. Alright, we made it across the bridge. Now we're just gonna have some lunch on this bench here. And look at the water, look at the bay. This is San Pablo Bay. So it's easier going east to west than west to east. Alright, and we made it back. It was a fun ride. It was a headwind in both directions. It's easier going from west to east to west than west to east, because from west to east you start at sea level basically, and on the eastern side you're starting at least 50, maybe 100 feet above sea level. So it's less of a slope on the way on the way back. So I think it's a good way to do it. Hardest part is on the beginning of the ride, and the other thing is there's a good parking here, like I said, with a bathroom, so it's a good place to start. And you saw where we ate lunch after we made our ride, so that's a nice place to stop after you get it back across the bridge. Recommended ride by Beta Cygni. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is Beta Cygni signing out, and keep looking up.